In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete pages from a PDF, either on a Mac or on a PC. First thing, on a Mac, it's pretty easy to delete pages with the apps that are in the Mac. You don't need to go get Adobe or Lumina or PDF editor. You can use the apps on a Mac to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let me make a new document here. I'm going to duplicate this PDF. This is a very simple PDF I've created. If you look down here, there's 10 pages. The original, here's the original. You can see there are 10 pages. I'm going to use this copy that I just made. And I'm going to show you the first option for deleting pages from a PDF. I'm going to right click on this document. I'm going to open with the preview app. Okay, here's my PDF, the copy that I made. I'm viewing it in preview. In the preview app on the Mac, you may or may not have this enabled, but you can show thumbnails. You need to show thumbnails. There's my thumbnails for each of the pages. Again, there's 10 pages. I can go here to page 2 and I can simply click on the thumbnail. Don't click in the page, click on the thumbnail and hit the delete button. Page 2 just went away. Here's page 1. The next page is page 3. Show it to you again. Go down here to page 10. It's actually the 8th page. It's labeled page 10. Click on the thumbnail, hit the delete button, and the page went away from the PDF. Now I have two choices. I can either do File, Save, and save this original document copy, or I can duplicate it from here, which I've already done, so I don't need to do it. But you could duplicate it and save it as another PDF. I'm just going to hit Save. I'm going to come out of this. I'm going to go back to a Finder. There's my original document. Again, 10 pages. Here's the copy that I just edited in Previewer, and I can just hit the right arrow. This is page 1, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, page 8, page 9 went away. And again, down at the bottom, you can see there's 8 pages. Option number 1, on a Mac, use the Preview app, click on thumbnail, delete the pages, save the PDF. Here's the other option. The other option is, and this is, you can do this here's the other option. The other option is to use Canva. Now I have a Canva account. I am not paying for Canva. This is free Canva. That means you can all do this as of September 22nd, 2025. And I say that because often what happens is when people start using features of Canva, they move them over and make them a premium feature. But right now, it's not a premium feature. Here's how you do it in Canva. Go to Create, go down to Upload the file. I'm going to go get the original PDF. I'm going to upload that, open. Okay, so here's my PDF. I can click on it one time and open it up. And now at the bottom right, you can see there's 10 pages. But here's how you do it in Canva. Again, free Canva. I can click on a page and there's the delete. Delete the page. Boom. Gone. Now I have 9 pages. Come down to page 4, click the delete button, and now I have 8. Now how do I get it back to my PC or back to my Mac so I can share it? I click the share button. I go down here to download. I can change from file type PNG to PDF standard or PDF print. These are not premium features. If it was a premium feature, you'd have a crown on it. I'm going to use the print. I'm going to hit download. And it's going to ask me where I want to put it. I'm going to put right here, Canva edit. And I'm going to hit save. Now I'm done. I can actually come out of Canva, go back to Finder. Here's my original. Again, 10 pages. Here's my Canva edit. And if I scroll down, there are 8 pages. You can edit a PDF and delete pages without having the Adobe toolset or buying another PDF editor. On a Mac, you can use Preview, and on a PC, you can use free Canva. Hey, I'm Teddy, and I hope this is helpful for you.